Alright, so today we are here in the studio and we have set up a lot of lights, and today we're going to test how loud the fans get on the amaran lights, the aperture lights, basically all the lights here. So what we have here is the Ray 660C, this is the 600 watt, the Halo 600X, also 600 watts. We have the smaller lights, the Ray 120C, the Halo 100X, and we have the Storms at the side here, 400X and 700X. So we're going to cook the lights a bit. We've turned them on at 100%. We're going to leave them for half an hour and get them up to temperature. And we'll do some measurements after that. Alright, so this is the measurement setup. It's very scientific, but this is the best I can do. So this is my phone with an app called SPL Pro. So this is an app that actually is calibrated to the phone's mic and gives you a reasonably accurate SPL reading. I have set it to A-weighted because that's how we mainly perceive sound. I have also attached a microphone to the side of the phone so that you can actually hear the sound of the fan, if you can hear the fan at all. And yeah, let's test. We'll do two tests. One test will be with this next to the light, and then later on we will also test it at the sofa down there in a more usual setting where you use the lights. So this is very extreme because we are standing next to the light. This is as if you have your talent standing next to the light, I don't know for what, or if your sound guy is pointing the boom mic into the light, I also don't know for what, but we're going to see if there's any difference. Alright, so I've turned off everything, it's very quiet. The light that is lighting me is set to silent mode, so there's no sound. So let's see what is the room's decibel. Alright, so the room was about 28. So let's turn on the light now. Alright, so the lights are set to 100%. So how I'm going to do this is we're going to take a reading with it like idling like this at 100%. The fan mode, we keep it on smart for all the tests because this will ramp up and ramp down. So this is a more realistic kind of sound that you see in real life. And then I'm going to test maximum fan by actually blocking the fan to get the light up to temperature to force the fan to go as loud as possible. We might see some overheating symbols and get the fan as loud as possible for you guys. Okay, let's call it 35.5. This is on smart mode at 100%. It is quite warm inside here. I think it's like 28 degrees. It's definitely not cool in this room because we've turned off all the AC. So now I'm going to block the fan and we're going to force the fan to spin up, and then let's see how loud it gets. Don't do this at home, but I'm just doing it anyway. Alright, so I think it's quite loud. Let's see. So max fan was 42 decibels. So it's about 5 decibels more in max fan. Alright, so I think we're done with this light. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so now we have ran the 600X for a few minutes. So let's see what it's like idling at 100%. Alright, so it's like 35.8, it's like 0.8 more than the 660C. I guess it's to be expected because the fan is slightly smaller. I guess it's needing to push more air. So now we're going to make it hot and we're going to see how much is the max fan loudness. Okay, so I would say it's about 40. I think 40 is when it spins up all the way. I can't get it hotter than that because it's actually overheating already. Alright, so that's it for the 600X. Okay, now for the 120C. So let's just take a reading. It's been warmed up already. Alright, so 36.5, a bit louder than the bigger lights, but to be expected because the fan is a lot smaller. Let's get it really hot and then let's see if it actually gets a lot louder than that. Alright, 38.7, it's as high as it got. So not significantly louder than when it's at full blast. Alright, so that is the Ray 120C. Let's change it up. Alright, so this is the Halo 100X. It is very, very quiet. That's what we've noticed. It's been running for a while. Let's have a look at how loud it is. Amazing, this is like 31 decibels. It's been running for a while, so it's actually quite hot. So now let's try and ramp it up by blocking the air. Alright, so let's call it 36. Well, this is actually very quiet for a 100 watt light. This is the quietest light that we have tested so far. 36 decibels at full blast. It's pretty good. Alright, so this is the 400X, the Storm 400X. We've been warming it up also, so let's just take a reading of 100%. Not bad, it's 33.3. This is quite quiet. So now let's try and get it up to full speed. I'm gonna try and block it. Alright, so we've got the thing up really hot. Let's take a reading. Okay, it's ramping down now, but at the highest point it was 48 decibels. So it was actually moving a lot of air. It got really not happy with the temperature. So 48 decibels at full blast. It should never actually hit full blast though. So now it's ramping down. Yeah, so now it's straight away back to under 40. So the fan is super efficient. It will actually remove the heat extremely fast. So I don't think your fan should be running at 100% all the time unless you are baking it in the sun. Alright, so now we have the 700X. It's been warmed up a while, so let's see how loud it is. Alright, so we call it at 38.2. So this is 38.2 normal operating temperatures. Let's get it up to speed. I'm going to block it off. It's going to ramp up quite quickly because this is a quite powerful light. Alright, full speed. Okay, let's call it about 52. So at the peak, it was maybe about 50 because the fan ramps up really quickly. It spins very fast, but it also gets rid of the heat extremely fast, so it ramps down immediately. So we couldn't really tell where the maximum was because it doesn't actually stay at the maximum fan speed. But it held at like maybe 42 for a while, so I think that's a pretty good ballpark for a higher fan speed. Max goes to 50 plus, but something must be wrong if it goes there so much. Okay, so now we're doing a realistic test. I am seated on the set. I am actually seated here. The light is about 3 meters away. The meter is here next to me. And yeah, let's see if we can even hear the lights. So the first one is a 660C. We're not going to do anything funny. We're not going to make the light super loud or anything. Just in the normal situation, 100%. Okay, let's change up the lights. So I really couldn't sense that it was actually very loud or anything. Yeah. You can hear that something is going on there, but yeah, that's about it. Right, so now this is the Halo 600. Nothing, this is the quietest light. I absolutely cannot hear anything from here. And like the room is silent. So now we have the 120C, the amaran ray. Okay, so this is also silent. It is, yeah, pretty much silent. I can't hear anything.
You're expecting nothing.
Okay, absolutely nothing. I can't hear anything. Alright, okay, don't waste time. Let's move on. It is a little bit, it is like the bigger lights, but I can't really hear it. It's like you know there's something there, but it's not annoying. Okay, this is a pass. It's not loud enough to disturb your audio. Okay, now for the 700X, I think this one we can probably hear it. This is a bit louder. Okay, I can hear this. But at this distance, I think if I'm talking, you probably can't hear the fan sound over my voice. It's not super loud, but you can sort of hear something going on over there. I would still say it's acceptable, even at this distance. Unless you have 10 of them going at the same time. Alright, so we have done the testing. You've heard for yourself, you've seen the numbers for yourself. Actually, the numbers are so low that I think it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Yeah. Okay, just for reference, the room when it was totally silent, we got a reading on the phone for about 27, right?
Yeah.
27 is like with nothing, absolutely nothing on. With the AC on, it goes to like 40.
Yes, the AC is like adding 10 times
Yeah.
the amount of noise. Yeah.
So the AC is louder than all the lights actually.
Yep, you're gonna work in the heat. Yeah.
So yeah, what's your take? Why are the aperture lights noisier than the emerald lights? Because the emerald lights were like suspiciously quiet.
Yeah, somehow
zero.
they're like okay. If you were to ask me, well, the storms generally now have a more aggressive fan curve. They would want to like be more conservative and ramp a little bit higher than usual. As your
So
noise.
I guess what we're trying to say is that it doesn't actually matter that your lights have a little bit of sound even. So the lights are so quiet now that if you nitpick, of course there is some sound,
Yes.
but the sound is so low that it's kind of insignificant in comparison to like your ambient sound.
Yeah, we like to have like some honorable mentions of the new halos. They're really quiet, huh?
Yeah, there's absolutely no sound. So the Halo 600 is very, very quiet. For
Yeah.
600 watt light, I mean, it's quieter than the 400X.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the 100X is like silent. Like,
Yeah, we're trying to torture the 100X
Yeah.
by covering up the fan for like almost like 5 minutes
Yeah.
continuous and let it blast full
Yeah.
power. It's not budging.
yeah,
Yeah, it's not even budging.
yeah. So these lights, I guess you don't have to worry about fan noise because we've tested it all. We can't actually hear the fan noise from a distance. So you can be confident in whatever production you're doing. I don't
Yeah.
think the fan noise will make your sound guy unhappy.
Yeah, like okay. Also, one more point to add about the 700X, because it's paired with something like a CF10. Usually, it'll be used as a motivating light source, like the sun from behind,
Or
like
far
through the
away,
window.
yeah.
Yeah. So if you pair it with a Fresnel lens, you're gonna use it like from 5 meters away,
Yeah,
and that's even further.
yeah. We're going to show you one more thing. For absolutely no reason, we're going to show you how the fan flows the air.
Yeah, actually,
Okay,
it's
so yeah.
we can do some fun stuff.
Let's show you that now. Right, so for absolutely no reason whatsoever, we just did that. So if you like, please subscribe and see you in the next one.